Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Therefore, the order dated 18/3/2019 of the learned special judge, vigilance directing for issuance of summon, is legally not sustainable in absence of any order of cognizance. Stop. In VGR case number 62 of 2003, to reiterate, the learned special judge void the order dated 10/8/2011 while differing with the view of the investigating officer, recorded his own opinion regarding existence of prima facie materials against the accused petitioners for the offences under sections 409 and 420 of IPC and sections 27 within bracket 3 within bracket A and 7 within bracket 1 within bracket A of the Odisha Forest Act 1972, read with section 3A of the Forest Conservation Act 1980, and without taking cognizance of those offences in absence of the requisite sanction, he directed for obtaining the sanction from the concerned authorities. Stop. It may be mentioned that for the purpose of sanction, he did not distinguish the offences from the viewpoint of the PC Act and other penal laws. Stop. It is therefore implied that the learned special judge void the aforesaid order directed for obtaining sanction for taking of cognizance of all the 15/5/2020 offences under the PC Act and other penal laws indicated above. Stop. Admittedly, the state government declined sanction for prosecution of the accused petitioners, and the said order communication of the government covers the whole case as registered against the accused petitioners. Stop. The learned special judge void the order dated 31/1/2019, however, with an obvious reference to the above order of refusal of sanction of the state government, adopted a strange procedure as against the accused petitioners, which cannot be sustained in facts and law. Stop. The order of cognizance passed by him in absence of the requisite sanction amounts to review of his earlier order dated 10/8/2011, void which he had refrained from taking cognizance of the offences in absence of the requisite sanction, that is, the sanction as applicable for prosecution of the accused persons for the alleged offences under the PC Act and also under the IPC and forest laws. Stop. Needless to mention that the learned special judge is not empowered to review his own order 15/5/2020. Para. The learned special judge vigilance Cuttack has not cited good reasons, much less with reference to the facts and allegations on record, as to how the alleged overt acts had no nexus with the exercise or purported exercise of the official duty of the accused petitioners. Stop. The case of Ramesh Lal Jain within bracket Supra, as cited by the learned special judge, is distinguishable from the case at hand in the facts and circumstances. Stop. It is the settled principle of law that it is not every offence committed by a public servant which requires sanction under section 197 of CRPC, nor even every act done by him while he is actually in the performance of his official duty. Stop. It has also been held that it is no part of the duty of a public servant to enter into a criminal conspiracy or to indulge in criminal misconduct oblique breach of trust, and hence in those cases want of sanction under section 197 of CRPC is no bar to take cognizance and proceed against the accused public servant. Over.